Hello foodies, and welcome back to Matthew's Culinary Corner. Today we're diving into some nostalgia with a classic Kiwi treat, New Zealand rice bubble slice. Remember those afternoons when Mum's homemade snacks fueled your adventures? Well, this recipe is a piece of that memory. As a kid growing up in New Zealand, my lunchbox was always filled with surprises, and Mum's rice bubble slice was a staple. It's a crispy delight that keeps us going throughout the day. I usually had it at interval because I just couldn't wait for lunchtime. Now, we didn't know about the American version with the marshmallows, but they are pretty good too. For us, it was all about what Mum made, recipes that became part of our daily lives. Okay, this is a pretty quick and simple yet satisfying recipe. Let's go through the ingredients. I've got 4 cups of rice bubbles, 125 grams of sugar, 125 grams of butter. I've got 2 tablespoons of honey and a teaspoon of vanilla essence for some extra flavor. I've got a container here which I'm going to align with baking paper just to make it easy to get out. And then we're going to make a lovely caramel. So we'll make the caramel with the sugar and the butter and the honey. We'll mix it together, we'll make it boil, and then we boil it for at least 2 minutes. Then we take it off the boil, we'll add our vanilla essence, and then we'll also add our rice bubbles. We'll mix it all up, we'll put it into our container, we'll press it down with our hand or use a spatula. What I like to do then is to slice it before it gets too cool, because it gets all nice and crispy. And then we're good. We'll let it cool completely, and I can't wait for a bite of nostalgia. Okay, let's do it. Right, so here we go. We put it on high, medium to high heat. We add our butter, our sugar, and our honey, and we stir it all together until it melts and then starts to boil. We leave it to boil for about 2 minutes, stirring as we go. And once it's up to a good point, we turn it off and then put our vanilla essence in, then our rice bubbles, we mix it all together, nice and yummy, and then we turn it out into our container. Once it's in the container, we can spread it out and pat it down with a wooden spoon or spatula. And then what I like to do is, as I said, cut it. In this case I'm doing 3 by 3, so we get 9 slices just before it gets cold, and then I put it in the fridge to cool off. And there we have it. And there you have it, the taste of childhood, the love of family. Remember, every bite carries a piece of our heart. And thanks for joining me on this delicious journey. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share your own memories in the comments below. Oh, and by the way, thanks, Mum.